Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, creArtive by Nature, Art and Life. I have got a Dollarama and a Your Dollar Store with More haul. Those are two Canadian dollar stores. So first up, I have got these wood grain wall stickers. They're $3 each and there's 8 pieces in a package. And I thought they would be great to cover the countertops on some pieces of mine. I'm going to play around with them and we'll see. Okay, I was so excited that I found this. It is the solar lights and I got them in the warm white. There was lots of the cold white, but I'm not a big fan of the cold white. I really like warm white. So I was so excited and I tested them out and yes, they work. I was so excited. So I really can't wait to set these up. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but I was so happy to find these. Okay, and I know this is nothing new. Lots of people have hauled this already, but my daughter really wanted it. And I don't really need more paper. But, you know, twist my rubber arm. It was only $1.25. Just do a quick flip through. I had seen others haul it, and yeah, actually I thought it was kind of pretty. They're thicker. So this one's foiled with the feathers. But this is really sticking together. And this one, oh yeah, this has got a little bit of glitter. And that's got glitter as well on the stripes. Ooh, yeah, it's really sticky on the edge. So florals, and it has glitter as well. So, you know, for the price that you pay for this, it's actually really good quality, minus the stickiness on the side. I can live with that. Beautiful hearts. And the last one is, it looks like kind of like dandelion seeds, foiled, really pretty. Okay, I went crazy with these houses. I was holding off getting them because I'm like, oh, what am I going to do with them? And then I had a light bulb moment. So I stocked up. You'll want to stay tuned in July over on my DIY channel. I'll have it linked down below in my video description and up in an iCard. I have got a Christmas in July series planned where I'm going to be doing a bunch of Christmas projects in the month of July. And in case you're wondering why July, well, a lot of crafters start to do Christmas projects then for the upcoming market season and craft fair season. So yeah, people will be busy crafting. So I love to craft. I myself am going to be getting ready for some craft show. Actually, I'm just going to do one craft show this winter, but it's a big one and I'm super excited. The place that I'm going to be going to, this is their second year and it was such a big hit last year. People sold out of everything. So I signed up. I'm hoping it goes ahead with all this virus thing, but I'm just going to go ahead and prep and hope for the best. So anyways, I wanted to get these houses and yeah, there's 5 different styles and I got 2 of each. Like I said, you're going to have to stay tuned and check out my DIY channel in July for the Christmas in July series to see what I do with these. I am so excited. Okay, I don't know about you, but I go through paintbrushes like crazy. So I got these 2. I love these ones from Dollarama. They're $3 a package. And then I thought I'd try these Crayola ones as well. They've got all kinds of different tips, so I thought they would be fun to try out. And I believe these were $3.50. I can't remember. They're not priced, and I threw out my receipt. Anyways, they weren't that much. It was a really good price for this many paintbrushes. been seeing lots of really fun things that people are sharing that they picked up from Dollarama, and my store has not got those, especially like the lights. I was hoping to get some lights so I could do some nighttime recording, but no. Anyways, but they did have these really pretty silver and gem embellishments. They're like a charm, so I thought those would be really fun to embellish some journals with or other projects. They were $1.50 each. So I got these ones. They're like a teardrop. And then these ones, and they are hearts. And there was some stars as well, and a diamond shape. I needed some more foam rollers, so I got a package of those, $1.50 for 2. And then I got these paper feathers. I have these already, but I wanted to get more since I'm going to be starting to make some journals. And there's different patterns and styles. $1.25 for 29 pieces. Okay, now on to your dollar store with more. I needed to get some more flat paneled canvases. These are the 8x8. They are $1.75 each. Your dollar store with more is a little bit more expensive than probably a lot of others. They're all independently owned. It's like a franchise, but I like to try and support local when I can. So I needed to get more flatboard canvases because my kids have been into wanting to do painting and they like these boards. So I got the 8x8, 8x10, 2 of each. These ones were only $1.25. And then these ones, 9x12, 2 for $1.75 each. And then I got 3 packages of the natural bamboo cord. I am going to be trying this to bind my journals. I really like the looks of it, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. And it was $1.75 and a total of 16 yards. And then I needed some brass rings for a project, and I couldn't find any, so I thought next time I'm in the dollar store, I'm going to grab some because I knew they had them. 5 pieces for $1.75, and they're the 1 inch. And then I got these beautiful clear stickers. They're foiled, they're floral, they're gorgeous. And they were $1.25 for that package. So it was just a quick haul. I just needed to replenish on some stuff and get some things for my journals that I want to make. So stay tuned for some project shares in the future here. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for being here, and let me know what you like. Tap on that subscribe button, the thumbs up, all that jazz. Thank you again so much for being here. Have a great day. Bye.